Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on here we do hauls like Temu hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, Five Below. The only thing I won't do is Amazon, because usually Amazon is only stuff that I need, like maybe deodorant, something like that, boring stuff, you know. But other than Amazon, any type of haul or maybe a subscription box, I will unbox here. If this sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe, and today I have a Temu haul for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you the stuff I got from the local warehouse first. Was it a local warehouse? Yeah, okay. I'm trying to think because I'm like, they did ship by themselves. Okay, so the first thing I got, I hope nobody's going to be mad at me about this or be offended or anything like that. I did ask my fiance if he was offended by it before I bought it, and he said no. But everybody's different. So hopefully I don't offend you and you won't turn off this video. But I did get this shirt. I thought it was cute. For it to be a local warehouse, the vinyl is kind of like not as bad as the Temu vinyl, but it's a little bit better, you know, but as you can hear it. Okay, they only had it in black, which is bad because I don't want to get black. But it says Cats Lives Matter. I hope you aren't offended. My fiance said he would be offended if it was a white person, but because it's a cat, he's not offended by it. I thought it was cute, and I'm tired of seeing like videos of people like putting cats in boxes, bags and shit, and leaving them on the freeway and shit. You know, so I thought this was a good, you know, a good way to, you know, state that cats matter too, you know. So please don't be offended. Okay, so the other thing is, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys this, but I'm going to have the prices up here. I think it's on this side. So, and I'll have the links in the description like I always do. Unless they're like sold out. If they're sold out, I will, like, if somebody's selling another item that's like it or just like it, then I would link that description instead. So, but if I don't have a link, it's because nobody else was selling it. Okay, it comes in a little, it's a little cheap bag, but it's cool to keep all your stuff together. And this is an exercise thing. So you get two band thingies. Oh yeah, these go, I was trying to think of what it was. These go around your ankles. Okay. So you got two of these to go around your ankles, and then you got, these are a lot shorter than the, hold on, yeah, these are a lot shorter than they looked in the picture. In the picture, that I would say they looked at least twice as long, but it's okay. So yeah, then you hook these to each ankle, and then you just stretch it. I forgot to tell you what this is made of. Is it on the inside? It is not on the inside. Okay, so it doesn't tell you on the tag up here. It does tell you how to wash it though. But it does not tell you, yeah, it does not tell you the shirt feels soft enough, you know, like it doesn't feel like a cheap shirt or anything like that. And I did want to say, because it comes from a warehouse, I did go smaller, down a smaller size, because I have been losing weight. But yeah, it's in a bigger size, so it must be men's. So actually, my fiance might be able to fit this. So I might give it to him and then get me another one. Because I don't think I've ordered, no, I haven't ordered a t-shirt or clothes or anything from a local warehouse. So, you know, you should be aware of that. If it's a local warehouse, you should get your regular size and not the size you get on Temu, if that makes any sense. Okay, so now we're going to get into the bag. Okay, so the first thing, okay, I didn't want this to be the first thing, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. It's not like I'm going to try it on or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you something that I did see. There were a bunch of them, different ones, but I like the print on this one. Well, not the print, but the design on it, because they had some that were just colors, like green, black, red, but I chose this one. It's a set. Hopefully, I'm hoping it'll fit me. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Well, no, it should fit, I think, because it's kind of like stretchy. It's a lingerie set, so it comes with like the little teddy, and then it comes. Ooh, whoa. Okay, in the picture, I could have sworn the thong was bigger, like it had like a back side, but apparently it does not. So I don't know about the thong, to be honest, but it's cute. And it's kind of like a stretchy material, so it does stretch a little bit. Not super much, but you know, and just to let you know, it is like see-through. So yeah, let's see. I did see a tag in here, and it's got little bows right here, and it's a slit. Okay, it says 88% polyamide and 12% elastane. Polyamide? I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. I'll put the word down just in case I'm not saying it right. I pronounce stuff wrong a lot of the time, so. Okay, no, do not get it stuck to my rings. Okay, so that's cool. I like that, because I was scared that it was gonna like feel like plasticky, you know, like real fake, but it actually doesn't. It feels nice. Okay, so next up we have, what is in this box? I have no idea what it is. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. Okay, so this is one of my freebies that I picked for the Temu Circle. And if you don't know what the Temu Circle is for $10 for 3 months. You get, when you purchase stuff, each month you get 2 free items, and on top of that, depending on how much your order is, you get a percentage back. So if it's like $50, you get 2% back. If it's, I believe if it's like 75, you get 3% back, and if it's over 100, you get like 10% back. I believe that's what it is. I could be wrong. But yes, this is one of my free items for it. I think. I could be wrong. So if I'm wrong, I'll put even if it's free, I'm still going to put it up there and tell you how much. I usually tell you what I paid for it, or if I didn't pay for it, and then I tell you how much it is now. This was in my cart. Okay, this is by Dragon. I don't want to say the name. Hopefully you can see it. And this is eyebrow cream, because I have a bunch of eyebrow creams, but they're getting old. They're getting dry, like super dry. And so I like the creams better than like the pencils. So yeah, so you get a little tub, you know, not too big. And then you get the little brush thing. So yeah. Hopefully it's like creamy and not like dry, because I've gotten brow cream before where it was like super dry. Like you had to literally like go like this so much, or put water in it and then do it to get it out. Oh no, it's creamy. Okay. Yeah, it is creamy. Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay. Hopefully it'll last, because sometimes Temu stuff doesn't last very long, you know. Like in 5 minutes it might be gone. But this is the color I chose. I have, my natural color is like a dark brown, but my eyebrows are like almost black. Like it's always been like that. So I usually go for like a brown, black brow cream. Next up, okay, this, okay, I'm gonna open it anyway. This I got from a shop. I haven't opened my shop yet, but there was a couple of labels that I wanted to get, but I thought this one was cute. I think there's another one that I want as well, but I wanted one to like tell my customers, you know, please show it on social media if you like it. And so it just says love it, brag about it, snap, and share. And it has Instagram and Facebook. So I thought that was cute. I think I paid like $5 and it's got like 500 of these. So that'll be good for my shop. Let's see, what's up next up? Oh, next up is a ring. I believe this was a freebie as well. Because I did 2 orders. I did an order where I got 4 free items. I did an order, I think I did another order where I got 2 free items, plus I got the Temu Circle free items. I believe these are this is the Temu Circle free item. Actually, now that I think about it. Hopefully you can see it, but it's got a little bee on it. What size did I get? I got a size 8, so I'm going to have to take this off. Because I think it fits this ring finger. Yeah. And then here's the other freebie. I know this is a freebie, but I can't say if it's from the order or the Temu Circle. I wanted a new case for my phone. So I picked this one. Actually, I picked a different one, but then I seen this one, and I thought this one was cuter than the one I originally had. So yeah, I'm going to change it as soon as I get a chance, because I still got my Christmas going on. I did get a pair of earrings. Hopefully you can see these, but these are little gold hearts. I thought they were cute, and I could wear them on Valentine's Day. So, yeah, a lot of stuff I thought about for Valentine's, because Valentine's is actually my birthday. So, I'm super into Valentine's Day. I know a lot of people aren't into it, but I'm definitely into it because it's my birthday. Okay, next up is another ring. Hopefully, this is it. Ooh, I got a 12. Why did I get a 12? I don't know why I would get a 12, because an 11 is too big for me. So I don't know why I would get a 12. I have to look that up, because maybe I didn't get a 12. I might have ordered an 11. Yeah, because it's loose on me. It's this gold heart one. I'm sad about that, because I'm not going to be able to wear it now, because it's super loose. I'm mad about that. I'm going to have to look, because they gave me the wrong size. I'm pretty sure, because I don't know why I would get the 12. Okay, next up, I did get this. It is blush, right? I believe it's blush. It doesn't say what it is. It just says makeup stick. Okay, but I believe it's a blush, like cheek stain or whatever. Yeah, it is blush. It says blush on here. And I thought it was cute because it's shaped like a heart. And they had different colors, but I chose this one. I think this was like the lightest color. Ooh, and it is not light. It is bright as fudge. But that's okay. Blend it in. Okay, I'm going to have to like be careful with it. It is really bright, even when you blend it. Okay, that's fine. I'll still work with it, you know. I'll just dab it in there. I do have a Valentine card from my fiance that I got like a long time ago when I started doing Temu. But I thought this one was cuter because he kind of refers this. I don't want to say it, but he kind of uses this word for, you know, something. But it says it's a little bent or whatever, but I don't mind it, you know. It's blank on the inside. I believe all the cards are blank. But it says, "You're the only meat for my taco." So I thought that was cute. They also have one with a hot dog and a bun. But I chose the taco one because of what he refers it to. Okay. Let's see. I think I only have a couple more items. These. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so small haul, but it's big enough, you know. This I got to go with my phone case. Okay, yeah, I got this to go with my phone case. Oh, okay, I didn't know it had like a little chain right here. I wanted a little charm to go, a charm or a chain or something to go with my phone. I hope it matches. Yeah, kinda. Like, I forgot about the gold part in here, but yeah, it'll work. Okay, and then next up are 2 clothes items. Next up, I got this nightgown. I thought it was cute. You know, I wanted a Valentine nightgown because I always get like holiday ones. Like I have Halloween ones, I have Christmas ones, you know. So I wanted a Valentine one too. So I thought this was cute and it's soft. I like their nightgowns. I always get their nightgowns and they're pretty good. There's only one that the material isn't the best. I still love the nightgown though. Okay, it says 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Okay, so yeah, that's nice. I like that. And then the last thing that I got is a t-shirt. And yeah, I knew this t-shirt was going to be like this, with the white in the back. Like this is like a fake t-shirt, but I kind of knew it was going to be like this to begin with, but I didn't mind. I wanted, you know, a heart shirt. And they come in different colors. Like I was going to get like a turquoise one, but I decided to get this one instead. Actually, I kind of wish I did get the turquoise one, to be honest. And this says 95% polyester and 5% spandex. The same as the nightgown, but the nightgown is soft, and this one, you know, you can feel it, you know. But it's fine, like I said, I'm still going to wear it. It's good. And this ain't vinyl, this is like printed on the shirt. That's the only thing with these shirts. The design is usually printed on it and not vinyl. I do have a couple of shirts where the vinyls is... One shirt, the vinyl started falling off, I threw it away. And I have another shirt where the vinyl is like... the pigmentation is going out of it, and like the sides are like starting to like crust away or something like that. So you have to watch out for the vinyls or whatever, but as far as I know, those are like the only 2 that have been doing that, and I swear I've gotten at least a dozen t-shirts. So I'm still gonna get the t-shirts, you know, and if I really like the t-shirt, and it starts doing that with the vinyl, I'll probably just buy another one, to be honest. Because I really like the one where the pigmentation is not so good. So I may purchase that one again because I do like that shirt. I just won't get it in red, because that's another thing. The red t-shirts bleed so bad. They bleed super, super bad. That's just another thing to worry about. Or that's another thing to look out for, is the red t-shirts, because they bleed super bad. Okay, so that's everything I got in this order. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.